Hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to all of you, my beloved subscribers, and to all my fellow friends na nandito sa channel ko, Destiny Unveiled Daily. Welcome, welcome. So, before I forget, thank you so much for all my subscribers. That makes my subscribers growing every day or even every hour. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, God bless you more, guys. And this reading is for my dearest Libra friends because my fellow air signs who are Libra people too. Okay, so Libra, starting today until this reading is for starting today until on the 31st of October. So sa Libra, the universe ay binubumubulong sa'yo na sinusubok ka raw ngayon ng iyong balanse at pasensya. Hindi para sirain ka, kundi para baguhin ka. Mula sa iyong nakaraan, isang bagong apoy in your heart ng isang layunin ang muling sisiklab or sisimulan mo raw. Ito ang panahon mo para bitawan ang luma, no? Lumang nakaraan para harapin ang iyong mga takot at buksan ang iyong puso para sa mga bagong posibilidad. Kaya Libra, tara na, let's dive into your reading and to all your cards. Okay, you have the Knight of Wands. Itong ay symbolizing your katapangan, your sigla, at iyong aksyon. Okay? So, this half or this mid of October daw, ito ang panahon na ng matinding inspirasyon at passion mo. Okay? So, you are starting again. You are starting again what you've did, what you've done in the past, na? So, maaaring may biglang mga oportunidad o mga adventure na gusto mo namang tatahakin or pagsisimulan. Okay, pero paalala ng universe and the spirit, Libra, naggamitin mo ang iyong energy ng may direksyon. Okay? Hindi lang yung trabaho ng trabaho na parang walang direksyon. That's why you have to be balanced. You know your goals and you know your direction. Okay? Kailangang pareho yan, balanse yan, para makakarating ka kung saan ka patungo, saan ka papunta, or ano ba ang ginagawa mo to see the real output at the end. Okay? Or kung ano man yan, before you do it, before you start it, dapat you have already the map, something like that. Like in the being a programmer, before you do the task, before you make the system, you should know first the problem, how you are going gather the data. Okay, first know the problem, gather the data, gather the information, make like algorithm, the flow chart, how para makita mo like yung mapa, para makita mo yung step by step kung paano mo gagawin yung mga desired mo, yung project mo, yung tatahakin mo, yung negosyo mo. For example, sino ba yung in the business? First of all, what do you have the capital? Do you have the energy to do the licensing? Do you know where is your place of your store, yung branch mo. Alam mo ba yung mga suppliers ng mga raw materials mo? If it's not a raw materials, who are the suppliers of all your products, no? Something like that. Do you need employees? Do you need to hire employees? Or do you have already employees or mga salesperson to do your job, to do the business? Okay? So dapat alam mo daw lahat para hindi not to again ma-experience mo yung nakaraan. Okay? So you should know everything, the system of your goal. Whether it's a goal, a work, a business, whatever it is, you should know it first. You know your goal and your direction, and everything will follow. All right? So yun. Kasi paalala ng universe, gamitin mo raw yung energy mo na may direksyon at yung tamang-tama or lahat ng mga kailangan mo ay dapat nandyan sa harapan mo bago mo gawin, bago mo simulan ulit. Okay? At yung mga nakaraang mga experience mo, kung bakit naging huminto ang iyong ginagawa mo, bakit ito ay naging nakaraan na, what are the reasons of your failure? Okay? This is for those who are failure in the past, for Libra signs, or Libra energies. Okay? So, baka may nagsisimula ulit dito, kaya sinabi ng universe is know all know all your what the things that you need. Okay? At may direction ito. Hindi yung, oh, nandito na ako, may ano na ako, pero kulang yung pera ko. Or kulang, may pera na ako, pero hindi ko alam kung saan ako, anong gagawin ko. Something like that. So, you're not equipped what to do. Okay? So, you should be equipped because this is your second chance. Okay? So, no more failure. You should expect no more failure because this is already a second chance of your nakaraan, of your past. Alright? So, wag kang padalos-dalos daw, Libra. Okay? Kapag sinamahan mo ng focused, also focused and trust of yourself, in yourself, the door will open. Okay? The door will open. The door of opportunity will open for you na noon ay nakasirado. Okay? So, noon ay nakasirado, ngayon ay mag-open because you are now ready. Okay? So, be balanced and be ready. You should be ready all the time. Okay? For what you've been experienced, whatever the bad things that you've been experienced before, wag mo nang gagawin yun. Kaya change your direction, change your style, okay? Para magiging successful ka in your this second chance, okay? So, good luck to you, Libra friends. Basta you are focused and you have the trust, you'll be successful, okay? So, the next card, you have the Lovers. So, the Lover card, this is tungkol sa pagmamahal, your connection, at pagpili. Okay? So, maaaring may relasyon ka or partnership na kailangan mong pagdidesisyonan ngayon. Okay? Since ito ay katabi ni Knight of Wands, maybe this is the new passion, your creativity, your job. You need to decide this new job or the new chances. Okay? Whether it's a relationship, new love, new partnership, kailangan mo daw pagdidesisyonan mo ng maigi. Okay? Because, pero tandaan mo, Libra, na hindi lang ito tungkol sa pag-ibig. This is not only about the love to others, no? Kundi ito also ang pag-ibig, self-love. This is self-love also. Okay? So, piliin mo ang mga bagay at tao na align at tunay ang kanilang pagkatao. Align in your energy. Okay? Kapag tutuo ka sa sarili mo, ang tamang tao ay kusang lalapit sa'yo. Stop pretending. If you were, stop pretending. Be true to yourself. Okay? Para hindi ka makakaproblema. Makakaproblema ka talaga if you are not true to yourself. There should be no pretension at all. Because being pretentious man good, it will add nervousness, pressure, stress to your situation. Kasi kailangan ko ng ganito kasi dapat ganito ang makita nila sa akin. No? No. It should be no. Be yourself. Be true to yourself. Be true to your situation. And God will send you a person to help you. The right people to guide you, to help you. The right energy, the positive energy will be around you. Okay? Libra? So, next you have the Death card. What is this? Hindi ito tungkol about literal na kamatayan. Alright? Kundi ito ay tungkol sa iyong pagbabago or transformation. Dahil may mga bagay na kailangan mo na bitawan. Okay? May mga bagay na kailangan mo ng bitawan para makapagsimula ka ulit ng bago or makapagsimula ka muli. Okay? Whether it's a new beginning or a second chances. Okay? Masakit man o hindi, pero ito ang daan para sa iyong transformation. The Spirit and the Universe said na nagsasabing hindi ka mawawalan, binabago ka lang. Tulad ng isang phoenix, babangon ka ng mas matatag, mas matalino at mas totoo sa sarili. No? Stop the people. Stop pretending. Stop the people that you need to please. Stop pleasing people, no? Magkakaproblema ka talaga. I've been there. Uubusin talaga yung pasensya mo. Uubusin ng lakas mo. Uubusin lahat ng meron ka. Okay? Kaya't wag na wag ka while this is your second chance. Okay? I'm not saying be greedy, be mean to other. No. But have self-love. Love yourself too. Love your peace. Love your future. Oh my God! Paano tayo makakabangon? Paano ka makakabangon kung iniisip mo sila, walang-wala ka pa nga eh. Kakasimula mo again. I hope you understand. Okay? For those who resonates this, sana love yourself also, guys. Because it will become burden. It will become burden again. Huh? Uulit at uulit ang nakaraan. If you don't be balanced, don't control you, don't love yourself. Okay? Just love yourself first. Huwag mo muna unahin ang iba. Paano ka makakatulong kung hindi mo pa natulungan yung sarili mo? Okay? This is the perfect beginning. The perfect transformation. Second chances. So, be wise. Okay? Libra, fellow air signs. Don't forget, be true to yourself. Huwag kang magpa-pretend. Hindi tayo magpa-pretend na okay lang tayo. No. If we're not okay, we're not okay. Please. Let's have solitude. Let's have silence for a moment para we can think. Hindi muna natin making noise in our ears. Will not make noise in our ears muna. Lalayo-layo muna tayo. Okay? Unahin muna natin yung goals natin. Anyway, we can help. You can help naman pag meron ka na eh. Nagsisimula ka pa lang. Magsisimula ka pa lang. Okay? Don't bother yourself about others. Okay? Libra, next you have the Hangman. This card reminding you na minsan kailangan mong tumigil muna at magtiwala the divine timing. Okay? Tumigil ka. Stop muna. You rest for a while. Okay? Baka nakakaramdam ka na ng pagka-stuck. You feel stuck. Pero may dahilan yan, Libra. The universe wants you to see your situation in other angle, in other factor, in other direction. Tingnan mo. In all sides of your situation, tingnan mo ang iyong sitwasyon. Okay? Kapag natuto kang mag-surrender at maghintay, lalabas ang truth, the clarity na hinahanap mo. You can really see the knowledge, the wisdom. Okay? If you can wait and have peace, you can do research, think very well. When you see your head, there is something like a hail. Use your head for a while. Magpahinga ka muna para makita mo yung clarity ng goals mo, ng clarity ng path na pupuntahan mo or gusto mong gawin. Okay? Kasi minsan, ang katahimikan mo, Libra, ang pinaka-importanting step, hakbang, bago umpisahan ang malaking pagbabago. What did I say previously? You should have your own complete step-by-step goals, map of what you're going to do, your flow chart, your algorithm of your system before you can make solution. Okay, you can start a new beginning. You can start your new business, new you, whether your job, whether you're starting a relationship. Okay, you should be ready to start all over again. Okay, paganahin ang ating isip, no? Paganahin natin ang ating isip. Bago tayo magsimula, dapat alam natin ang ating gagawin. Alright? So, next Libra, you have the Queen of Pentacles. This is symbolizing your stability, your comfort, and your success. This mid of October until the 31st. Okay? Pinagpaalala ng universe for you, Libra, na alagaan mo iyong sarili habang tinutulungan mo rin ang iba. Okay? Have time for yourself also and love yourself too, okay? Prosperity is coming. Dahil sa mga effort at disiplina mo. This is a grounded energy. You have a grounded energy in this mid of October, Libra. Okay? Stay grounded. Ang mga pinaghihirapan mo, ay magbubunga na ng security and peace in your life. Okay? May pera ka. Okay? Unahin muna ang sarili bago ang iba. Kasi, kung may pera ka, mabagal din. Mabagal ang pera, Libra. Kung may hinihintay ka, mabagal. Okay? Maybe, for those who are also wants to start a new goal, a new business, or whatever you want to do, whatever you want to start. Maybe you got a problem about money. Maybe kung kailangan mo ng pera dito, kung kailangan mo ng budget, matagal-tagal siyang dumating, no? Matagal-tagal pa siya. Maybe hinahinay lang muna, kapit ka na muna ng isipan mo talaga, huwag kang magpadalos-dalos. Because yung pera mo ay parang parang hindi abundant too much. May pera ka, pero it should be used in the certain perfect thing. Para sa isang goal. Para lang siya sa isang mission. Hindi talaga siya abundant na pwede lang siya uubos-ubusin. Hindi. Kasi ang pera mo ay, may pera siya, pero buhay-buhay lang muna. At saka, matagal siya eh. Kasi, the Knight of Pentacles, can you see the soldier? The horse is not moving. They're steady. But they are stable. I know you are stable this until the end of the October. However, huwag kang padalos-dalos sa paggasto. Huwag kang padalos-dalos na mamimili agad. Huwag madalos-dalos na magpapalabas ng pera agad. Okay? Dapat alam mo ang lahat. Ano unang gagawin? Makikinig-kinig ka in your vibration around you. Tama ba ito? Tama na ba ito? Is this the perfect thing? Something like that. Tama ba ito na babayaran ko na yung renta ng 3 buwan sa bago kong branch? Something like that. Kailangan na ba akong yung perang ito ay ipagbili ko for renovation ng bahay ko? Let's check first. Okay? Alamin mo muna yung sitwasyon mo. Kung kailangan ba, may pera ba ang darating? May pera ka na ba for that? Kailangan bang bibilhin kong itong bagay na ito? Hindi ko naman talaga emergency kailangan. Wag mo na. Kasi ang sabi ng card, may delay. May delay. Medyo matagal, slow ang kapirahan mo. May pera, pero you're stable, but dapat kailangan you're stable, but for you lang, parang hindi talaga siya for any other, mga gastusin. Okay? Because, dahil sa Knight of Pentacles, kailangan mo nang magtiyaga muna at consistent ka muna sa mga ginagawa mo. Because the Knight of Pentacles ay even though this Knight of Pentacles is very slow in progress, pero meron naman. Pero meron ito at sigurado din. However, huwag ka munang parang hindi iniisipang gastusin. Kung pwede, huwag ka munang gumasto, no? For me, huwag ka munang igasto yung pera mo. Okay? Because maliit ang hakbang ng maliit or slow ang Knight of Pentacles, pero this is for long term kasi. Okay? Kung may negosyo ka man ngayon, kunti-kunti ang bagal ng sales, no? Siguro nga kasi walang klase. Siguro nga limited ang face-to-face classes. Limited, or I think wala talagang face-to-face classes, no, here in Kuan lang. Some of you, kung taga saan man kayo, I'm here in Central Visayas, parang walang klase face-to-face. Kasi naka-online classes kami, no? Kaya siguro sa negosyo mo, kunti, mabagal siya. Ang kunti lang sales, kaya wag masyadong magasto. Wag masyado, okay? Wag masyado. Isipin mo muna kung kailangan mo bang pakawalan yung pera nasa kamay mo, okay? Or nasa sa bulsa mo. Tsaka wag ka mainip. Okay, wag naman mainip kasi you'll be successful. But for now, slow talaga. Dahil siguro sa calamity, there are a lot of factors. Okay? Calamities or other factors in our life, in your life maybe, na kailangang gamitan ng pera. Kaya kung wag mo na muna talaga sayangin yung pera, magasto-gasto kasi hindi natin alam ang susunod nito, okay? Because dapat lang tuloy-tuloy lang dahil malapit na ang mga resulta ng mga pagsisikap mo. Pero yun nga, sabi ko, wag ka munang pakawalan ng pera mo sa bulsa mo. Okay? Dahil slow ngayon ang pera. Okay? That's literally, that's my literal advice. From the cards also, you have the Four of Pentacles. So, this card, Libra, it's all about ang paghawak mo ng sobra at maghigpit. But for me, this card is, you're really keeping your money safe. You want to be balanced. And you see yourself, you're alone. You're sitting on the Pentacles. You're stepping on the Pentacles and hugging it so tight. Kasi alam mo kung ano ang feeling na walang pera. Alam mo, some of you, alam ninyo ang feeling na nawalan kayo. You losing everything. Failure yung business nyo. Wala kang pera. Kaya kung anong meron ka ngayon, nagsisave ka. Kung magkano yung sinisave mo, inikip mo talaga. Because you want to be feeling stable. No? You're just very simple person, no? You're just very simple. You just want to feel stable and peaceful. When you see that, I don't care if they call this greedy. It's not greedy. How could you be greedy if you are just simple, no? How could you be say greedy and you're just simple person? Hindi ka naman OA. Okay? Hindi ka naman mukhang mayayamanin. Hindi naman. You just want to be stable and peaceful. Okay? Kasi yung paggasta ng pera, ang sarap. Ang sarap lang mag-ano ng pera, pero hindi nyo alam paano hahanapin yung pera na yan. Okay? Oo nga. May trabaho naman. Pero, kuan ba? The needs of financial needs is parang move mo. In all corners, kailangan may pera ka kasi binibili lahat, no? Paano na lang kung wala tayong pera, wala tayong savings? Saan tayo pupulutin? That's what I mean lang, no? So, wag ka daw, just trust, Libra, just trust the abundance will flow both ways. Kung ano ang binibigay mo, babalik daw sa iyo. Oo nga. But I don't mean, do not recklessly reject or throw your money. Put in your mind, guys. Sa panahon ngayon, iba na ang panahon, ang daming kalamidad. Ang daming kalamidad. What if? Simba ko. What if? Walang makakalabas dahil sa mga kalamidad na yan. Saan ba? Ano mang gagawin natin? Sino mapapautang sa atin? Okay? So guys, keep your money ha. Kung meron kang konti dyan, i-keep mo talaga. That's for the emergency. The next, you have the Page of Cups. Ito ang nagdadala. You can receive messages. An emotional, mga inspirasyon, mga love offer. But this is just like from a younger person. Okay? Kung may nai-inlove man sa iyo or may admire ka para sila mga bata. Or maybe you're starting a new love relationship, no? Okay? Pwede rin itong biglaang connection or opportunity na magpapasaya sa puso mo. So, the universe wants you to open up emotionally. So, maging totoo ka rin sa nararamdaman mo daw. Maybe kailangan mo na talaga. You need a partner. You love someone else. Okay? Kasi pag pinapayagan mong mararamdaman ang saya ng puso mo at lungkot ng tapat, makikita mo ang the magic. Makikita mo yung magic ng mga simpleng bagay around you. Okay? When you feel in love, even the smallest and the simplest thing around you, para nang magbibigay na siya ng kasayahan sa puso mo because you're in love. Or maybe some of you here guys, parang siguro you're starting a new relationship and you're really inspired and you're really in love. You really feel in love to someone else. Whether you're a boy or a girl, you have a crush and you want to say it. You can say it because this is the best signal that parang magkaka-relationship ka. Okay? This is a positive card. Nasasagutin ka nga. Okay. May in love na siya. Next. Naubo ako guys. So next card you have the Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. This is the new beginning or a new opportunity of career, sa trabaho, sa pag-aaral, sa pagninegosyo. Maybe also you are planning to venture an online business, online studies, okay, mga new learning online. Yung bago ngayon, yung mga AI ngayon. Yeah. So, yeah. Ito may matatanggap ka or you are really you'll receive a financial, no, you will receive a help, or you have a lot of money right now, some of you, whether it's a new job, it's financial. Yeah, some of you may pera, okay, some of you may pera at parang ano, may pera ka or may ginagawa kang magkakapera ka, kakapirahan mo, no. Okay, so the universe is nagbibigay sa'yo ng pagkakataon para matuto at mag-grow. Mag-focus ka lang daw ng practical steps at huwag ka katakutan ang mga bagong bagay, whether it's an AI, whether you're a freelancers, your clients is asking you to do this. Do you know how to use this software? Okay, there's nothing impossible right now because we are now in the new age of or era of artificial intelligence, guys. If you do not know anything, of course, go to your best friend, ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT anything you want to ask, and ChatGPT will directly give you all what you want, what you need, what you want to learn, and what you want to do. Okay? And ChatGPT will propose you anything. Okay? That's the power of artificial intelligence. Okay? You should be open-minded, guys, nowadays. We should be open-minded. Alright? This is a page of pentacles. You are starting a new job. Starting a new business. Okay? This is just maybe a clarification. This is a clarification of something like the Knight of Wands. You are starting all over again. Okay? Next, you have the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands, ikaw yung pinaka-confident na anyo. Very confident. Pinaka-sexy. No? Pinaka-sexy. Kahit nakaupo, you're still sexy. Okay? Very sexy and very confident. Na tao. Na babae ka man o lalaki. No? So the universe ay reminding you to step into your power, Libra. No? Step into your power. Ipakita mo ang tapang at karisma mo. Okay? This is beside Page of Pentacles. Ipakita mo, kaya mo. Kaya ko yan. Akin na yan. I can do it. Okay? Kahit bagong-bago yan dito sa mundo, bagong-bago yan dito sa online, I can do it. Okay? The energy mo is very magnetic. You're very magnetic in good fortune, Libra. And many people will admire you. Okay? Ang dami mong, dito, admirer. Okay? Marami kang admirer. Dahil ikaw ay maganda, sexy, at confident in your own self. Okay? Huwag kang matakot ipakita kung sino ka talaga. Ano yung kanta? Sino ka man talaga, Pinoy kay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Iba't ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Yun. Remember mo yan, yung Big Brother's song? Yun, ang ganda naman. Sana nagustuhan mo yung piece, konting piece na kinanta ko. So the next card, Libra, you have the Five of Swords. So maaaring magkakaroon ka ng conflict, tension around you. Pero whether it's around you or in yourself, in your mind, yung mga doubts in your head, kung marami man yung mga admirers mo, yung mga suitors mo, nalilito ka kung sino yung pipiliin mo, yun, parang nagko-conflict yung mental mo. Yung conflict yung, nagkakaroon ng conflict yung pag-iisip mo, kung sino sa kanila ang pipiliin. Whether, saan, sa mga trabaho, kung pipiliin, kung pang trabaho man yan. Okay? May conflict. Anong uunahin, anong pipiliin. But, the universe is reminding you na hindi lahat ng laban ay kailangang paglabanan kung nga ay real conflict man, kung ano man, away man ito, arguments, misunderstanding, wag na lang kasi parang this is a battle of mind, battle of ego and parang ideas, okay? Kaya yun, avoid or watch out. Kasi minsan may mas panalo ang tahimik na isip, no? tahimik na isip kaysa makikipag-away o makipag-argument. Yeah, that's true, guys. I'm also air sign. Libra is an air sign. Yeah. Better not to engage na lang if you are not ready. If you are busy, do not engage in any discussion. Especially in kuan lang. Kasi sometimes magkakaiba yung mga ideas natin. Sometimes magkaka-conflict tayo. Why? We have different frequency. Hindi naman, wag naman mamasamain yung frequency. Kasi magkakasamaan talaga or there will be an argument or disagreement because we have in different level of frequency of mind. Hindi naman na bobo siya or matalino ka. Hindi. Ibig ko sabihin, parang nakakatoxic. Yung iba is nakakatoxic siguro. And for you, you don't like to, you want to stop. You want to stop it because it's waste of time to make arguments na wala naman tayong mapapala. Tama? This is a real talk. This is a real talk. Sometimes pag may mga tension, conflict na hindi naman tungkol sa trabaho, wag na lang pag-anuhan ng oras kasi makakasamaan pa tayo ng loob, makakasiraan pa tayo ng relasyon kasi parang we're both smart. We are both smart to discuss or to have kanang arguments over something, over this matter, over this topic, something like that. Kasi ang iba, hindi natin alam anong dala nila, yung energy nila, kung galit ba sila, may kaaway sila, and then pag na sometimes may problema, may arguments sa iba, may negative, toxic ka nang galing siya sa toxic na kausap, at makausap mo, iba-iba yung energy. You get me, guys? Maybe some of you, hindi nyo alam yan. But for me, I can, because, parang, parang sometimes kasi may kausap tayo, nabigla tayong nagagalit, or nabigla tayong hindi tayo magkaka-disagreement tayo, misunderstanding tayo, kasi hindi ka maniwala sa akin. Ako naman, ayaw ko sinasabi mo. Parang ganun, parang nakakatoxic ka rin. Parang ganun. Yung siya naman, gusto niyang sabihin yung side niya. Yun. At ikaw naman, gusto mo ring mamadaliin ang lahat kasi may ginagawa ka. You want to stop the topic right away. You want to change topic right away. Pero hindi matatapos-tapos ang isang argument. Especially in ideas. Okay? In discussion. Okay? Para kang yung sa school? Something like you're debating something. Okay? Debating something na wala namang teacher na nakikinig sa inyo kasi kayo lang dalawa nag-uusap. Okay? Mahirap yun. Ang dami ng misunderstanding na nangyari sa amin dahil sa isang, hindi naman siya debate. Nagiging debate siya dahil sinasabi ko yung, alam ko, sinasabi niya rin niya yung hindi niya nagustuhan. Something like that. Kaya para talagang, this is not good. If there's a conflict in communication, disagreement, wag na lang masyadong kasi malalaki yan at magkakasamaan pa ng loob, no? Wala. So piliin nating silence, have peace in mind kasi marami tayong ginagawa at marami tayong gagawin kasi para magkakaroon tayo ng output at the end. Karoon tayo ng result at the end of the day. Kasi, you understand? Piliin natin yung kapayapaan kaysa pride. Okay? Pride, ego. Dapat sasakay ka sa akin, dapat mag-agree ka sa akin. Something like that ba? So, hindi na lang ganyan. Pag alam natin na parang pupunta ito sa disagreement or conflict, parang stop na lang natin. Okay? Stop na lang natin ang istorya. Sayang. Sayang pang oras, sayang pang relasyon, nakakaanuhan na. Marami nang magagawa ang taong galit. Okay? So, dapat, wag na lang, maging humble na lang tayo. Papairalin na lang natin ang silence, respect, humility. Mas makakamit natin yung freedom and respect to each other, no? Hindi na kailangan, galit ako, hindi ka na sa akin. Kagalit ako kasi hindi ka nag-argue sa akin, nag-agree sa akin. Ano ba yan? Okay? Okay. Next, you have the Seven of Wands. So, the universe said that this is the time. Ito yung stand for your own ground, stand on your own ground. So, you should have your own boundaries. So, kapag marami kang mga taong gustong hahamunin ka, i-challenge ka, mga competition diha, competition doon, kung ano pa yung mga taong magbibigay sa'yo ng toxicity, negativity, yun, lagyan mo ng boundaries. Lagyan ng boundaries. Hindi lang tayo masyadong magkuan para wala tayong pag-aawayan. Because this is the universe said that you have to fight what is right. Make and have boundaries. Para hindi ka basta-basta ng mga kaaway or sino ba yun sila. mga bad energy, mga evil energy, evil eye, evil energy, negative energy. Okay? Because this is a hindrance. This is the blockages in your dreams. Okay? So be brave. Be brave. Have peace in your own. Have space. Have boundaries. Para walang makakapigil. Walang makakapigil sa'yo to reach your goals. Okay? So you have the oracle cards, Libra. The first card, you have the eye of the darkness. So it means staying alert in the darkness of the night to discover hidden truths. So it says here, sa dilim, nandoon ang mga lihim na nakatanaw sa'yo. Okay, so be alert to. The universe said, be alert, especially when you are in the dark. This is lit for me. Some of you also may be literally, watch out in the dark. Huwag kang maglakaw-lakaw, huwag kang maglalakbay sa dilim. Huwag kang, ano ba yung maglakaw? Ano ba yung maglakaw? Huwag kang, do not pass on the dark areas. Because there might be a bad people there. There might be someone who are planning bad intention to you, Libra. Okay? But this is for everyone, for all of us, no? Hindi na tayo basta-basta ngayon. Mahirap na ang buhay ngayon. Kaya hindi natin alam kung sino yung nasa madilim na nakatingin sa atin. Okay? Wag kang magtiwala. Wag kang magtiwala. Wag ka talagang magtiwala. Kahit tila wala ka nang, you have no choice, okay? Kahit sabihin natin, wala na akong choice, kailangan ko mag-pass doon sa madilim. Wag ka talagang hayaan mo na, bukas na lang pag may araw. Wag yung madilim. Kasi di natin alam, pag nakawan ka doon, no, pag mangyari sa'yo doon, no, ang buhay ngayon, mahirap. Nandun ang kahirapan. Some of us talaga. Also, in the dark, parang during the night, maging alerto din tayo, no? Baka, maybe this eye of the darkness, if not a bad people, not bad people, di natin alam. Maging alerto tayo, lalong-lalo na tuwing gabi, no? Lalong-lalo na yung mga lindol, it happened during nighttime, in the midnight. Okay? The second earthquake was during mga almost 1 o'clock in the midnight. It's 1 in the midnight because I was just parang pa kami ng mga video, hindi pa kami natutulog that time. Kaya and the first yung lindol ng dito sa Visayas, especially yung nakahit first sa lindol ng Bugo, was something like almost 10 o'clock in the night. At almost mga 9 o'clock and 59 minutes evening, okay? Kaya gabi pa rin. Kaya for me, we will watch out, no? Maging alerto tayo tuwing gabi kasi hindi natin alam anong nasa gabi, no? Yun. So, minsan nasa dilim ang mga sometimes nasa dilim daw ang mga kasagutan din. Kailangan nating pakinggan ang boses ng ating spirit. Pwede rin. Okay? Yeah. That's why we will trust our intuition. Can you see here? There's an owl. I think this is an owl, the big eyes of an owl that is looking. So, listen to your intuition. Kung ayaw mo, kung you feel na ayaw kong maglakbay doon, wag mo na lang hindi mo na ako umalis ng bahay, wag kang umalis. Baka it is the angel. It is your angel who block you not to go. Baka may mangyari sa doon sa madilim, okay? So the next card, you have the fire of rebirth. So this is the reborn in the flames to gain a new life. So this means that in the like a Knight of Wands, this is a reborn. Sisimulan mo. There's aalab ang apoy ng iyong damdamin to start the new beginning. Ito yun. There is a fire of rebirth. It means that in this second chance, your passion is very fiery. Nag-aalab ang apoy ng iyong damdamin for change of your situation. So ang universe ay nagsasabing, dadaan ka sa mga pagsubok para muling ipanganak bilang mas matatag na ikaw. Okay? Matatag na ang iyong pagkatao sa lahat ng pagsubok or kung sa mga darating pang mga pagsubok sa buhay. Okay? This is not parusa, no? This is not a parusa. Ito ay ang paglilinis. This is to be let you be ready in the next steps that you want to do. This is a renewal of yourself, the transformation, okay? Babangon ka at muli kang pupunta sa bagong simula, bagong tatahakin, new journey of your life. Okay? Because maybe lagi, some of you planning to do again the things in the past, simulan ulit. Kaya if you can feel the fire, the passion in your heart, in your mind, do it guys. Do it. Alamin mo ano ang una mong paghahandaan, kailangan, ano yung mga kailangan mo, ano yung kailangan mong malaman, at paano mo ito gawin para balanse ang lahat ng iyong mga plano or pagsisimulan. Okay? This new beginning, this new transformation. Yon ang sinasabi ng the birth, the fire of the rebirth. So, ang apoy ng bagong simula. Ang apoy ng aking damdamin para makapagsimula ulit. So, yeah, I believe guys, in everything we do, no, dapat may apoy. There's a fire in our passion. That you should have the passion in doing the thing. Why? Pag wala kang passion, guys, kung walang apoy sa damdamin mo, ayaw mo, parang matamlay ka. Parang, ay, kapuya po niyo, ay, nakakapagod naman ito gawin, oy. Umani lami, oy. Hindi na, walang lami. Ano yung walang lami? Ay, I don't like it anymore. I have no money of this. What I'm doing? I'm just pulling myself. I'm just making myself stupid. Something like that ba? Para marami kang komento, marami kang reklamo. If you have the fire, if you have the passion at what you're doing, wala kang pakialam. Kung nang sinasabi nila, wala namang pera dyan. Konti lang yung pera mo dyan. Konti lang yung mga mo sales dyan. Pangit man yan. Nakakahiya naman yan. No. If you have the passion in what you're doing, you really love it. You really love what you do. Okay? Yes. Ito yung ginagawa ko. Ano bang ginagawa ko? Nagre-read ako kasi I want to read. I don't know why. I want to read. Whether my viewers or not, I don't care. Because I want to do it. Why not? Someday, somehow. Okay? Parang ganun lang ang ginagawa ko. Sino bang very, very fully loaded na yung market eh. The online is very loaded about reading. But why I love reading? What I love these things. I bought a lot of cards, even if before I do not know how to read. Because I know, someday, I'll be one of the readers. Before pa guys, I've been following good readers in the Philippines, in the US, something like that. Because I want to know. I'm also a good dream interpreter, guys. Kaya doon nagsisimula sa dream interpretation. Doon ako nagsisimula. Bata pa ako, parang may knowledge na ako sa dream interpretation. Kaya doon, nang nagpa-follow na ako sa mga, sa mga cards, sa mga readings from very popular, amazing tarot readers in the Philippines. There's a lot. Parang mga intuitive talaga. Hindi naman ako intuitive, guys. Para lang, I learn it from, I learn because I'm studying it, no? Not really like other, like J. Costura, sino pa yung mga marunong talaga. Parang si Gemma, Gemma Cake Tarot. Ayun, yun? Nakaka-follow ako din noon pa. Yun. Yung hindi pa siya napakita sa online before. Yun, si Kapalaran 888. Kasi I can see them, si Miss Fayas Tarot. Hi, ma'am. Yun. Pinafollow ko sila. Parang buong buhay ko. Parang while taking care of my children. After my meditation, parang nakaka-board naman meditation for 2 hours, no? Ano naman? Yung buong, kung anong ginagawa ko, naka-headset ako, naka-bluetooth yung headphone ko, headphone or earphone ko. Yung, anong ginagawa ko, may talaga yan, taro yung pinakinggan ko sa phone. So, yun. If you have the passion to do it, you can do it. Hindi ko nga alam, magagawa ko ito eh. Bumili lang ako 2 years ago. Ang daming binili ko, guys. Parang gusto ko talaga makita yung mga tarot. Hindi ko naman alam paano ko babasahin yan. Kaya I started studying it. Okay? Yun. And then next card, guys, we have the unknown horizon. There's a hope and possibilities. Yeah. Sa card na ito, sa abot na hindi mo pa nakikita, may pag-asa. The universe says here na huwag kang mawala ng tiwala sa kinabukasan mo. Do not lose hope in the future. Kahit di mo pa alam ang direksyon, may magagandang oportunidad na paparating sa harap mo na hindi mo lang nga alam sa ngayon, pero maaring magdadala ng himala bukas. Okay? So this means that you'll do something that you don't even know. Hindi mo pa alam. May gagawin kang hindi mo nga alam. Pero gusto mong gawin. But the card said, do not lose hope. All the possibilities will make it happen for you. The miracles. And it will give you a great hope for your future. Okay? What a great card. This is a great card. This is a great motivation for your energy, Libra. Okay? Kahit ano pa man yan nasa isip mo, ay, baka malugi ako, baka hindi ko kaya ito. No! Do it! You can say it if you cannot do it if you are already started. You have already tried it. Okay? Wag mong unahan. Wag mong unahan ang isang bagay na hindi, yun ang sinabi ni Coach Rush. Sabi niya, do not judge. Excuse me. Don't judge a thing na hindi mo pa nga na-try. Hindi mo pa nga narinig. Hindi mo pa nga nakita. Do not judge. Okay? I-try mo. Try mo. At doon mo malalaman, just like in a relationship, guys. All the relationship, kahit gaano kaganda, gaano kagwapo ang boyfriend, ang girlfriend natin, di natin sila alam. Hindi mo lang alam yung sino yun sila kung hindi mo sila makasama sa isang bubong within, even in the very short 1 year of your life. 1 year of your togetherness. Matagal na nga yung 1 year eh. Maybe nga, isang buwan pa lang, nakita mo yung sino siya. Or isang linggo lang, alam mo na siya, sino yung kasama mo. Sino yung boyfriend mo at girlfriend mo. Yun, do not judge. Ay, ito na, gusto ko ito kasi ang gwapa niya. Ang ganda niya. Hindi mo alam. Hindi mo yan alam. Hindi mo yan kaya. Hindi mo yan alam kung sino yan. Unless you will be with him in one roof. Okay? In one roof. Lalong-lalo na wala ka ng pera. Wala na kayong makakain. Tingnan natin, sino sa inyo? Sino sa inyo ang babaliktad? Guys, sino sa inyo ang babaliktad? Kasi, in real relationship talaga, guys, no? Yung maganda mo ngayon, hindi na yan maganda bukas. Yung mabait ngayon, hindi na yung mabait bukas. Lalong-lalo na wala na niya makakain. Because relationship, guys, is just a miracle. It's a miracle that you'll be blessed. Blessed. Even in hardship, in difficulties of your relationship. Kahit ano pa yan, pipiliin po pa rin siyang to be with you, to be with him. Pipili ka niyan. Kasi yung love, the love will gone. Totoo yan. Ang love, guys, mawawala yan. Lalong-lalo na wala kang kinakain. Lalong-lalo na punching bag ka na yan. Kaya, do not judge. Try it. Try. Ay, ayoko mag-try ng negosyo kasi malulugi tayo niyan. No. Hindi mo alam. Yung negosyo na yan ang makakabigay sa'yo ng magandang kapalaran, magandang buhay mo. Okay? Ay, ayoko na mag-negosyo kasi wala nang binibili sa akin. No, don't. It might be a test from the universe kung saan yung pasensya mo. Okay? Ito ang test ng universe kung paano mo ginaguide yung pera mo. Kung yung mga sales mo noon, ginagasta mo lahat kasi, ang daming mga sales ko, ang dami kong pera araw-araw. Kasi mag-loan ako, mangungutang ako nito, bibili ako ng sasakyan, bibili ako ng bahay, ganun. Ano mangyari pag may mangyari sa mundo na hindi mo inaasahan? Mag-lockdown ang lahat. Anong mangyari? Yun. Kaya everything ay dapat do not judge. Huwag mo i-judge kasi ang dami kong sales ngayon. Ay, siguro nga, kaya ko na bumili ng house and lot. Kaya ko na bumili ng sasakyan. No. Kaya kong bumangon ulit. Paano kung hindi na? Paano kung hindi ka na makabangon pa? Kasi, you too much judge what you have seen at first. Try mo for 1 week, 1 year, 1 month. Yung relationship mo, itry mo. Na yung girlfriend mo, itry mo na wala kang pera, hindi ka makabigay sa kanya, tingnan natin, mawala na yan bukas. Hindi yan totoo. Kaya, yun ang gagawin mo. Okay guys, don't judge. That means do not judge. Kung nga makita mo, do not judge. Yun ang bait yan, akin yan, pakakasalan ko na siya. No. Tingnan natin kung wala kang pera, tingnan natin kung makakasakit ka, nandyan pa ba yan sa'yo. Hindi ba yan magluloko? Tingnan natin. Hindi yan mawawala sa akin kasi ano kami, ganun. No. Hindi mo yan hawak ang isip niyan. Hindi mo alam kung anong nandyan sa ilalim ng dibdib niya, ng puso niya at isip niya. Hindi mo alam. Yun guys, advice ni Madam. Hello guys, next you have the Mirror of Phantoms. Ito ang salamin ng iyong loob. Mga takot. This is the mirror of yourself. Inner self. Where you can see your fears, your desires, and your potentials. The hidden desires, fears, or potentials. We need to face up to our inner world. Kailangang harapin ang ating mga takot, pagnanasa, at potensyal sa buhay. Okay? Harapin daw mo libra ang sarili mo ng tapat. Don't pretend. Okay? Ang healing ay nagsisimula sa pagtanggap. Your healing started when you accept your situation, when you accept who you are, when you accept what you can do, and what are your capabilities, and what are your powers. Okay? Do not pretend. And do not be fear. Accept. If you need to nurture your skills, to find answers, there's a lot of factors where you can find it right now. Online. AI can answer you. ChatGPT can answer you. YouTube, you can find answers also. Okay? The healing is started when you healing started when you start when you accept of who you are. What is your situation, na? Kapag nahirapan ka rin kung anong totoo, nawawala ang iyong ilusyon. No, pag hinaharap or you accept which is true about you, you'll not be illusion. You'll not thinking of illusion. You'll not be pretentious. You will stop pretending. Okay? Babalik your power will surface. Okay? Your power and strength will surface in you if you accept who you are. Okay? So your challenges in this mid of October to the 31st Libra, ang mga pagsubok mo ngayon ay tungkol sa pagbibitaw sa mga nakaraan. Kung anong ginagawa mo, kung anong hindi mo pwede mabibitaw, bitawan mo na, okay? Para, like for example, no, yung mga takot, yung mga pagtitiwala sa sarili mo, pagtitiwala sa universe, pagtitiwala sa universe, at saka yung higher power, yun, maaring mahihirapan kang panitilihin ang balanse ng iyong capabilities, balanse ng iyong power, balanse ng iyong pasensya, determinasyon. Pero kung ito ang if you accept it, this season, this time is your start of your growth. Okay? So your advice from the universe, Libra, magtiwala ka sa divine timing. Magtiwala ka lang din sa sarili mo. Okay? Bitawan ang mga nagkukontrol sa iyo at hayaan mong dalhin ka sa iyong mga pangarap sa tamang direksyon. Okay? Alagaan mo yung sarili mo at buksan mo yung puso mo sa mga bagong oportunidad. Okay? At ipaglaban mo ang kapayapaan kaysa ego or pride. Tandaan, Libra, na ang tunay na tagumpay, the real success, ay nasa iyong mga kamay kung ikaw ay babangon at hindi magpapatalo sa laban. Yeah, totoo man yan, guys. Kahit ilang beses ka pa nalulugi, when you keep on trying and doing something to make you better, sa successful ka rin. Magwawagi ka rin. Just like the singers ba, mga competition ng singing contest, ilang beses yan sila na natatalo. Pero kung gaganahan kang maghahasain mo yung sarili mo to train yourself, doing it well, watch your craft, what you're doing, mananalo ka rin. Totoo yan. Kahit saan ka, whether you're in martial arts, doing it every day, you can have the best move that you can do. You can have the best kick that you can do. Alright? You can have the good and great tactics, like in dancing too. In everything you do, in everything we do, kahit the best example is in studying. Kung na-zero ka, kung na-itlog ka sa exam mo, hindi ka na maitlog kung mag-study ka na next day. It will never happen. Okay? Nandyan lang sa mga kamay mo, ang kapalaran mo. Trust yourself. Trust the universe. Trust the divine timing. Yan lang. Ay. Okay, thank you so much for watching, Libra. Love all my friends. Thank you so much. Please, if you resonate this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and comment if you resonate. Thank you so much. So pagkatapos ng mga nangyayari sa iyo, Libra, kahit hindi pa ito katapusan, ikaw ay magsisimula sa bagong ikaw. Bagong ikaw. The new you. Okay? Take note, you are not punished by the universe, but you are polished. Hinahanda ka ng universe in the next challenge, the next battle of life. Okay? So, be steady, be brave. Okay? Magiging ka rin, manatili kang tapat sa puso mo. Okay? Be truthful. Okay? Be honest. Okay? Be truthful, be honest, and love what you do. Okay? Okay. So, because starting this mid of October to the end of October 31st, this is the great moment of your life to start all over again, to be successful. Thank you so much. Once again, God bless you more, and have a great day. Bye.